Kajing penlip boarding haga jelah kini singi ke belalit no kelak tak bah yaki kam ki jam jongki bria ke betre yaki kam boper. Bad iki kena apuli ke bedang penkrek mentai ki eksamen jongki. Henry ke lalong pat ke kubor ke ba aimen siam yaki haga ba menteri rang ba ke jelah Konrad Kongkal Sangma haga sineng kong jongka tayo ulapan bena bagatnat Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited kan sa penjunsur no aki kenta penlip boarding syaka ar kenta haga sisngi. Kabala sedang terekam naduk kamiat jongka ni higasngi. Ula pentip bagani kajing penjunsur kalau urlong hadian kajing ekran bag kajing penbed bat ki company penmi boarding baju ai ke liang ya ke boarding syakane ke jela.
Habai ekran bikilat pakai kubor menteri rang bak kajela ula pentip ba kajing duk juki atli ki projek penmi boarding ka pilang tanah Tripura bat ka kupli Assam kidi kidau ba penbor kajela ban hap sim bi kesin jam ban penlip boarding bun kenta. Uang baka jela kam sim la yu asu adu sanpau megawatt ke boarding na kini ki projek ya ki baka sarkar jela kam sim la ban le AA. Henry kawai pat kadau kadai namar kejing bam la asu ke jela ban pendan kam ya ke power banking. Baju ya ai keliang ya ke boarding haba pahu bat simpat ondala kerdu. Bat ki beki company jong ke sarkar pedeng. Uang baka jing penkela jong ke sarkar pedeng ya ke polisi kalabu akejing ya ke jela. Ban pak ban pai ke boarding bala ai saka power banking haki benai liur. Henry ban yo opat ikani ke boarding ke jela kan hap ban penkrek menta da ka letter of credit ban ai sakini ki company kentup ka National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. Kat kum ke jingi thu jong ka jela kala ai ka letter of credit ke ba khatlai klur tengka saka National Thermal Power Corporation bat kala yo biang ke boarding. Upentip ban nalor kani ke jela ka hap rupan siu hadu enru pusan lak tengka sisngi syaka nipko bakan kersan boarding ke jela. Menteri rang ba upentip ba ke jingdan kam boarding hapok ke jela kalong ya palat nriu 4 megawatt henry ke boarding balala ban penmi ementa kalong tang lai 4 megawatt kataru tang nak umyam bat ke leska hydro project. Halor karam ba pensa syaka MECL menteri rang ba uong bakani ketenat kadang day ben yuk pisah hadu sispa arpuai klur tengka na kinong pendan kam boarding hapok ke jela bat na pedeng kani hadu sanpu ar klur tengka kadai niki karkhana saupo point iwei klur tengka kadai niki babun ki tliwing bat arpuai klur tengka na ki dukan di jingdi ha keleng ki jaka.
The major issue that the state faces, of course, apart from the fact that there's an issue of also the production or the generation, is the AT&C losses that we have. In this situation, we have started the process of getting a number of smart meters done, and I think I had mentioned this to you last time. And this smart metering will allow us to really monitor the different consumptions and patterns that are taking place, and that will allow us to reduce the losses. There's a transmission and commercial losses that are there, and this we are also planning to expand in a manner so that we can cover all the approximately 450,000 consumers in the state as a whole, and this will be one of the major steps that we're taking.
Nakini ki project ki hydro power project ki dei ki balak ban penmi boarding hadu praspa iwei megawatt ki thermal power project ba news pa sauko megawatt bat ki project penmi boarding na ki bor kamariang ki balong khandai punri megawatt kini ki project ki dei ki basateng na ka jing bam ya bet ha ki kam ye di thi jaka ka jing pen slam ban pen create ki detailed project report ka jing pen slam ban pendat ya ka transmission line bat ki be habakali halor ka kansi hydro project menteri rang ba uong ba ka jing sateng jong ka kansi stage 1 project kadai namar ka jing ha ka kam ye di thi jaka hanrei ha ka bai dei pat bat ka kansi stage 2 ka jing kadai namar ka jing don ki par uranium bat ka jing mi ru ka jing tuklar jong ka sarkar pedeng namar uranium ula pentip yang ba ka jela kelas dang ban pentre menta ya ka project ka ba khat pra klur tengka jong ka sarkar pedeng bantan boarding na kasengi leng ba ki solar panel ki bala pendat haki sispa arpui tili ki jakarta rekam jong sarkar upentip ba ka jing pendat solar panel kala dep ha CM Banglo bat lala ban penmi hadu sanpau kilowatt ka boarding ha ka sisengi.
That renewable energy is being used at different government offices. We have recently cleared a project for about 121 different government offices which will have the facility of solar energy, along with that the provision for net metering. which will allow the power to go back into the grid. I'm also happy to inform you that the first building to become and to be on the net metering system along with the solar energy is going to be the Chief Minister's bungalow itself. The solar panels have been fitted, and currently we are producing almost close to 50 kilowatt hours a day from this energy in the Chief Minister's bungalow. And this energy, once the net metering takes place, energy will go back into the grid, and whatever I use from the grid will then be netted, and whatever is additional is only the amount that we'll be paying. So this is a system that we want to put up in almost all the government offices. Even the secretariat will be in that system, and as many government offices as we can get will come into this. I even urge the public also that that they should go for this kind of a system where on holidays or sometime when they're not in the house, the entire power then can go back into the grid. So it's a very economical system also, and I think it will lead to benefit for individuals. So these are the few measures. These are not some things that will happen, of course, in one night, or in a day's time. It takes time, but we are trying to do whatever we can to give immediate relief to the people. And as I said, I'm happy to inform our citizens that we have managed to find whatever solution and reduce the load shedding to 2 hours in a day.
Habakren halor ka Citizenship Amendment Act bat karai jong yin robat kawan ke jela ban pentri kam ya ke inline permit ke jela menteri rambak ke jela ula pentip ba ka sarkar jela kadang ap mentai ya ke jing penbet jong menteri ki kampo yeng jong kari Amit Shah ba on khot ke jing lang ha Delhi na ka benta bani kren ya karai jong ka yin robat kawan ke jela pentip bana kaliang jong ula dep ya kren la RCN ba Amit Shah Henry namar ke jing bun kam bat ke jing pen kre ke Republic Day Delhi uni menteri ki kampo yeng ula betha ban se kren biang bat hadien ka Republic Day bat on pen bet ya ka sngi bani kendu Delhi habakli ke jing pen kre jong ke jela ha ka be de ke jing pen tre kam ke sarkar pedeng ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act menteri ramba ka jela ula ong ba kani ka an kala sai kedar ba kanam tre kam ha ki jaka ki bahap hapo ka schedule bat na kijing tip balayu alum da ke sarkar bat katnat pulit kajing apply penrung kerteng jong ki mender kanam dan setia hapo ke jela bat namar kata ka Citizenship Amendment Act kanam tre kam setia ha kani ke jela.
And due to different issues that are coming there in the center, due to the entire that Republic Day issue, and I think there are some other matters that require urgent attention in Delhi. Home Minister has asked me to get back to him next week again after this 26th. So I'm waiting for that, and but I'm in regular touch with him, and because there are many issues that we are discussing, and he is also very concerned about the law and order situation overall in the state, also concerned about the overall situation in general in the state, and he's regularly in touch with me. So we're hoping that we'll be able to get an appointment and take up the matter at the earliest.